In a quiet American living room, a family settles in as winter winds rattle the window. A space heater hums beside a curtain, left on while busy with a phone and ignored clearance guidelines. A spark catches, smoke swirls, and the room fills with a tense glow as the family scrambles for an exit. A quick voiceover notes fires spread in minutes, but proper precautions like moving combustibles away and testing alarms save lives. The final line emphasizes preventability and urges readers to check detectors, maintain clearance, and practice escape plans.